All right, guys, so it is like 10 o'clock in the morning right now. It's day 2. It's nice and sunny out today, as you can see. Water is nice and clear. It's still a little windy. I think it's a bit windier than yesterday, but we just ran to the bait store and we got like some minnows, we got some grippers, some lures. We also got some steel leader because we snapped off plenty of times yesterday on lots of pike. So I'm gonna get the steel leader rigged up. We're heading over to the island and we're gonna make some casts. Hopefully we catch some stuff. All right, guys, Jordan just caught this pretty big bowfin off the campsite. We don't have the GoPro, so we're just gonna film on his phone. I'm gonna give it a release. And then to release it, it's that, once he's ready. Here we go. Nice and easy. Oh, he's going right under the rock. Look at the fin, look at that. All right, guys, so last time you saw us, Jordan caught a bowfin. We're back at the bridge that we caught the pike at yesterday. It's a little bit less windy than it was when we were here this morning. So we're gonna get to fishing. We got the minnows, we got our lures and whatever. We got all our stuff, so we'll see if we catch something. So we also got Jordan with the GoPro now as well. So I should probably just showed the clip of him walking up as well, but we rigged him up just in case. I wish I had a third one for Justin, so we all had them. I wish we had one for the back as well. I know. Just kidding.
It's all good.
I'm learning. Oh, I can't hold these things in my hand. They're so small.
Are you recording too?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
They're getting eaten anyway by pike. I'm going right in here again. This is where it was before. Get the grippers, Jord.
Got it.
Wait.
It's in its mouth, by the way.
Wait. Go. Hook. You got it.
Let's go!
Open on, baby.
Jordan.
Is he still on? Yep. You got it. Get the grippers ready.
Oh my god. No! No!
How do you loosen your drag on this? It's still on.
Yeah, there's my minnow, by the way.
Yep. I got the hook set on camera. Jord, that was great. I literally directed him. I was like, take your bobber off, drop it right here. It'll swim right over. It's looking for food in that opening. We gotta go that way?
It's going.
It's going this way?
Yeah.
We should get the drone.
It's kind of giving up.
Do you want me to grip it? You have flip flops. I don't want you to slip on those rocks.
Either or. If it's a better angle, do it.
That's true.
I didn't hurt
it. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Nah.
It kind of just gave up. Oh yeah, it's a fat one.
It gobbled that in and then it shook its head a little bit, Jord. And I was like, set. It's got it.
Shoot. Do you need help, Just? Yeah.
Keep it tight.
Going through all these spider webs. Love to see it.
Yep. Here it comes.
I see it.
Oh, it's going back.
Closer. Oh, won't open.
Yeah. It's hooked in there. Same. It won't open its mouth. Lift it up if you can.
Put right to shore.
Oh.
Hold it, Jags.
Got it. It's kind of. Oh, that went right through it.
Did the line just snap?
Yeah.
Well, no. It's a male.
So you can hold it just like this.
What do you? Is it clamped?
Yep.
Or
Just
do I
keep a
knock
good
that
grip
off?
on this.
Oh, okay.
Sheesh. See that? Look at that thing, baby. Nice. Seed picks.
It's a male.
Oh yeah. Yep, it's a male. Do you have your phone?
Look at the
Oh,
teeth
here we go.
on this.
They do have teeth. Here we go. Oh yeah, baby. I'm gonna get up close and personal. Nice. Let's get her back in the water. Or him, actually.
What do we do? Hold him in for a little bit?
Yep. And then once he's ready, you can just release the grippers.
How do I know when he's ready?
That's how.
He's ready.
He's ready.
Go, buddy. You can direct him all.
And then you can grab his tail and just push him.
Wow.
Good shit, Just. See it?
Yep.
Good shit. It
With
ate my
no
minnow. It ate it.
freaking bait
Can you grab
on
me one
there.
real quick? Right from the bucket. I'm gonna keep an eye on this thing. It freaking took my minnow. Going in.
Look up! Hello!
Literally. One right there.
Yep. There it is. It's heading this way.
Genius.
To your left.
Absolute genius.
Yep, there you go.
The thing needs to swim down.
It needs to swim. Down.
It's tangled in the line. Oh, it went right there, I think.
It's going down. You'll be good.
The bowfin's not there though.
Where did it just go?
Oh, I see it. It's still there. It's right there. Oh no, it's right below me.
Yep, you see it. Yep. Oh, these aren't even opened.
Got him. It's small, but I got it. Bowfin on.
Nice. Where's our
Grippers. He's small, Jord.
one here?
We doubling up? I only have 10% battery.
Got it.
You got him?
Really?
We're doubled up. Oh, no way. Oh, no.
Let's go so we can get a video of this. Horn is big, actually.
Yeah.
Real big.
How are we going to do this?
Did you film the hook set too?
Yeah. Oh, unless my arm was covering it. It's decent.
Mine, I can just like.
Oh, Just, can you move your pole? Can you move your pole?
Why, you're not going that way?
I'm going to go this way.
I'm going this way too.
This pole's here.
Mine. That's fine.
Oh. Guys, we are doubled up right now. Jordan has a bowfin, I have a bowfin. Shoot.
You guys got something?
We're doubled up on bowfin.
Big bowfin?
Yeah. Jax, we gotta get a photo of us holding it at the same time.
You take the gripper, it's small. I might get mine.
Ooh, mine's jumping and stuff. Actually, mine does look decent size. Oh my gosh, yours sounds huge. Mine's got green fins, Jags. Green? Yeah. Like vibrant. Look at this, Jags.
I can't.
I know, well, you can't, obviously. Does Justin have the grippers? You got the grippers? Nice. Get Jordan's first.
One first.
Mine's smaller. I could probably grab mine. Watch these wires. How big is yours, Jordan?
Pretty big, actually. I
Pretty
think it's bigger than
decent.
yours.
Look at the fin color.
What, are you guys just casting right underneath the bridge?
Yeah, we just are tossing minnows down there. Oh no, my line snapped. Ah, my line snapped, Jord. No.
Oh, really?
Really?
Oh no.
That sucks.
Oh yeah, my gosh.
You go to the Thousand Islands tackle shop and get my nuts.
Yeah, that thing's dope looking. I might need some assistance, Jags. But look at the colors of those fins.
Mine snapped before I could even grab it.
Oh. Can you grab this, Jags? I can't get this out.
Yeah.
Are you injured? Can you?
Here, let me use my other hand.
Jags, these pinchers do
They go right through it. That's not good.
Well, I think it's because when it shook. Oh, there we go.
You guys are killing it.
Yeah.
What is that?
BOWFIN.
Wow.
We were doubled up, but mine snapped off.
Oh,
Yeah.
He has one too.
Mm-hmm.
wow.
Nice.
Sweet.
Let's release
release?
it. Yeah.
Look at those fins.
I got soaked trying to catch mine too.
Dude, that's so lame.
It's fine. I touched it, so it counts.
Yeah.
Your bobber's on? Oh, I see it.
No, what was that far?
Yeah.
Four.
Nice.
One's ready to go.
Yeah, it was. Jordan is hooked up
I
to a
can't
big
even pull it
BOWFIN
in.
right now. He can't even pull it in. I was watching the bobber just disappeared.
I'm just gonna go slow. I don't want this to snap.
Oh, it's still on.
I'll bring it closer for you.
Oh, it is big.
Is it big?
I think so.
Got the clamps?
Yep. Oh, it's all right. It's small. It's small. Oh, I'm soaked.
Here, I'll pull it up more. Oh, yeah. It's not.
All right, we landed it.
Not too shabby. I don't know if it keeps turning off, Jags, or just the screen's.
The screen's just turning off.
But it's
Unhooked.
still recording.
There we go. This one isn't good.
All right, guys. Not the record, but decent. It's all right.
Hang on, I'm gonna take a GoPro photo real quick. The lighting is so bad, but you can do it.
It's okay. Ready?
Nighttime fishing. Yeah.
Careful that hook. I don't know where to
Yeah, he's good.
go for it.
Here we go, guys.
There we go.
He's gone. Let's go.